Okay, radio tutorial for remote control mower. Radio gets turned on first. We make sure that all our levers are forward and down. Should say mower 7 channel and should say kill as our first mode. Now quick explanation of the modes. So we got this switch D with our little tube on it. So we got kill mode is fully forward. Our next mode ignition, no data. Is ignition, so that's where we do our starting. Next mode system idle, and it says taxi. So that means that the mower can do everything other than cutting. And then over here, switch E next to the blue. You switch that, and it says mowing. I didn't have a good word for it, so we just used the one that said gyro initialized. So let's go back to throttle cut, which is the basic mode. Now in throttle cut, I'll just go to servo. Nothing works in throttle cut, so none of the servos are moving. When we go to ignition, our the only thing that does work is our auxiliary 2, which is our choke, and that's regardless of the mode. So when we went from cut to ignition, then we turn on our gear channel, which is our normal start. The key is on. That's what that stands for. Now, in ignition, the only thing that's enabled, apart from the on channel, which is a gear, is our switch I, which is going to our rudder channel for this setup. And we start, and that goes for our start and our choke. So you'll have to manage your choke with your starting, Doug. The third mode is taxi mode, and it would have enabled the handbrake, but we've only got 7 channels. And once we go into mowing mode, or idle mode, our control levers are enabled. And in mowing mode, all we do is we turn on the flap channel or the auxiliary 1 channel, and then that engages the relay. If you have any problems, just flick the little tube, the channel D, all the way forward, and that will kill it, and it will center all the channels, disable the throttle, turn into the zero throttle position. The only thing it doesn't affect is choke. That's it.